It's going. It's going.
Please tell me it's going.
It's going. Here we
I'm
go.
not going back out there anymore.
So, Vicki, did Chris and Aaron say they'd buy him a new rowboat?
Meet after the big hole.
Please go.
Please. I don't want to take this back.
I think we're going.
I think it's a go. Here we go.
That's a fountain.
We have a liftoff. All that work for that.
Awesome.
Woo!
No.
That's it.
The grand finale.
Grand finale.
Yeah. There's more.
There's more.
Wait.
Yeah, there's more.
There's a little bit in between that fuse, I think.
It's recharging. Is that it?
Woo!
Got people over there. They're still fused. It's still lit.
The boat's on fire.
Is that what they got on course?
Yeah.
Oh,
say?
What'd he say?
Yeah, there's that bunch of people standing there lighting everything. It's fun to use.
Everybody's running out of the house and saying, I thought the fireworks were Saturday.
They're still lit.
Everybody's running out their door saying, I thought the fireworks were Saturday.
I think somebody hollered over at Carl 11.
Did they?
See, what's probably cool about this is
How will
people
we
are
know when
probably
it's
still,
over?
I mean, people around here. I don't think anybody
When
would.
the cops get here.
Let's see if they stop it, right? Good for them. I mean, if they want to go out there and try to stop it, let them go.
We don't know who did it. We're just all out here sitting on our blankets.
We saw them come outside to sit.
No, she's here.
Who?
Sarah.
Oh. Yeah, those t-shirts. She said Friday's probably going to be her last day. Here it is, Walmart. I got it.
Hear the frogs.
I don't know why they didn't want to stand out there with them.
Yeah. It's more like 10.
Wait a minute, it's still dribbling.
Is that the last one?
Whoa!
Yeah, I think they ought to go on the
Chris said it was 3 minutes long. You're so full of it.
Yeah, really.
Vicky said if she went to the bathroom, it'd be over in 3 minutes.
Well, that's what he told me. He said they're only going to last 3 minutes.
I'm on my 4th video, and this one's almost 4.5 already.
They'll have to do a summer job
that
on
it?
the
That's it, isn't
I
it?
don't see any
summer night.
Aaron and they're loving
They
it.
are loving this.
About 2 o'clock in the
Like that one year when they called them. They called up the next morning and said, are the fireworks over yet? That one year when they waited so long.
Right, yeah, I remember.
I can see a big reminder coming in next year's mail.
No fireworks.
Please be advised.